Good morning children. Today we will study about children at work part 2. Class 8 D. It so happened. Now first of all we will write the word meanings. Vehicles, transports, example cars, buses, etc. Spin, move round and round. Hesitating, not wanting to do. Dragged him, pulled him. Signboard, posters, peeped, to see through. Tar, coal tar on the road. Blasted, came down or sat down. Grinned, smiled broadly. Squinted, be cross-eyed. Now we will start the chapter. Now part 2. Velu followed his friend through the crowded streets to a big building. Behind the building there is a big garbage bin. Velu wonders why they are there at all. Now he caught up with the girl as she was leaving the station. Now Velu was going at the back of the girl, and then he caught her as she was leaving the station. When they got to the road, Velu found that the vehicles kept coming and never stopped for anyone. Now when they were on the road, there were too much vehicles coming and going, and they never stopped for anyone. Smoke and dust flew at him from all sides, making his head spin. Now as the vehicles were coming and going, there was smoke and dust all around, all sides, making his head spin. His head moved and he was having a headache. They had to wait for a long time before they could find a gap to run through. They had to wait for a long time because the road was not at all free. They could not find a gap to run through. Velu kept hesitating, and the girl finally dragged him to the other side. Now Velu was not going on the other side of the road, but finally the girl dragged him or pulled him to the other side. What do you think you are doing? Grazing cows. Now the girl is asking to Velu, what are you doing? Are you grazing cows? If you stand around in the middle of the road like that, you will be chutney. Now she is telling to the boy Velu that if you stand around in the middle of the road like that, you will be chutney. If you stand in the middle of the road, he would be killed by any vehicle. Now Velu's heart was still beating fast. He looked back at Central Station and the traffic speeding by. He was looking at the Central Station and the traffic speeding by. The traffic was going on the road. How had they managed to come through that? Now he was thinking, how had they managed to come through that? They walked along the side of the road under some huge signboards. Now you must have seen that when you go on the road by walking, you see huge signboards on the sign of the on the side of the road. Now there was also signboards over there. Velu looked up at the pictures, and Velu started looking at up the pictures. Banyans, car, tires, pens, a woman holding a box. The writing was all in English, so he didn't know what it meant. Now Velu looked up at the pictures. They were all of banyans. The advertisements were given of banyans, car, tires, pens, a woman holding a box. Now these were the picture on the signboards. The writing was all in English, so he didn't know what it meant. The girl turned onto a wide bridge and walked up. Later on, the girl turned onto the white bridge and walked up. Velu stopped and peeped over the railing. Now he also went onto the bridge, and from there he peeped, he looked through over the railing. Under him, the road ran into the city. Now, the road on which there was a bridge ran into the city. In the distance, he could see huge buildings and towers and more roads. Now, from there, he could see in the distance that there were huge buildings and towers. And more roads. See that big building with the wall around it. Now the girl is telling to him, see that big building with the wall around it. If you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there. The girl grinned and pointed at the huge building. Now the girl is telling to him that if you are not careful, you would be counting the bars. That means you would be put into the jail or the prison, and you would be counting the iron rods of the prison. The girl grinned and pointed at a huge building. Now the girl grinned at him and pointed at the huge building. Now Velu squinted and read the Tamil sign, Central Jail. Now Velu, through his peeped eyes, read the Tamil sign, Central Jail. Why, I haven't done anything wrong. Now Velu is telling that I haven't done anything wrong. You don't have to do anything. Just don't get caught. That's all. Now she's telling Velu is telling I haven't done anything wrong. So why I should be put into the bars. Now you don't have to do anything. Just don't get caught. That's all. Now children, you must be knowing that some of the people they do the children as child. They take the children as the child labor, and those children who do the child labor, it is prohibited by the government, and so they were doing the work of rag picking, and they were taking all the cups and plastic things in their sacks, and so that is why the police will put them into the bars, because it was the time for the children to go to the school and not do all those things. You don't have to do anything, just don't get caught, that's all. What does she mean? Velu wondered. Now Velu is wondering what does she mean. Meanwhile, the girl was already heading down the bridge with the sack on her shoulder, and the girl was moving very fast. She was heading down the bridge with the sack on her shoulder. What was in it? He had seen her putting plastic cups into it at the station. Now he was wondering, or he was surprised that what she is doing. She was putting all the plastic cups in her sack into it at the station. What are you carrying in that bag? Now things, bottles, paper. Velu wondered. Now he asked her, what are you carrying in that bag? Things, bottles and papers. Velu wondered what she was doing with them, but he felt shy to ask any more questions. Then Velu was shy to ask her any more questions. It was still morning, but the sun blasted down on the tar. Now as they were going on the road, it was still morning, and the sun came down on the tar, or the coal tar which was on the road, and Velu bare feet burned. Now Velu was walking through with a bare feet, and so it burnt. The road was too hot. It was not like walking on a mud road. He was soaked with sweat, and it was summer morning, so he was soaked with sweat. He tried hard to walk in the shade and keep up with the girl at the same time. Now he was trying hard to walk in the shade and keep up with the girl at the same time. She walked really fast. Now the girl was walking very fast, and so he also wanted to go in the shade to keep up with the girl, and at the same time, how far away was the food? Now he was thinking, how far away was the food? After almost an hour of walking, they stopped in front of a big building. Sri Raja Rajeshwari Prasanna Kalyana Mandapam, read Velu slowly. A sign with letters made of flowers said, Groom J.V. Vinayagan, Bride Rani. Now they came to a huge building, and there was a marriage going on, and it was decorated. The name was written as Raj Rajeswari Prasanna Kalyanam Mandapam, and the sign with letters made of flowers said Groom J.V. Vinayagan, and the bride was Rani. Velu stared at the big cars parked outside. He looked through it for some time at the big cars and parked outside. One of the cars had a flower garland and roses taped onto it. Now one of the cars was decorated with flowers, garland, and roses taped onto it. The girl looked around, pulled one off quickly, and stuck it in her hair. Now the girl, she took one of the flowers and she pinned it in her hair. Come on, she said. Are we going to eat here? Velu asked Velu. Now Velu thought that he was going to eat in that hall, looking at the huge hall and the people inside. He was looking at the huge hall and the people inside. Up till here today, we will study in the next video.